Ano ba yung, ginagawa mo ngayon, as part of your advocacy para yun ma-bridge yung gap na yun?
Ayun. Actually ah, yung isa, kumakausap ako ng mga friends ko dun sa UP.
Hmm,
So so tini actually part yung masters ko. So undergrad is, applied physics, and then yung masteral ko technology management. So merong technology management center sa UP na yung goal is ah is tumulong paano paano mag-establish ng ng innovation chain sa Philippines. Paano mo
yeah,
properly i-utilize yung technology para mag-improve ng local companies,
yeah.
mag-improve ng local businesses. So isa isa yung side, gano'n. And then yung other side is naggo-grow ako ng startup. So yun
Hmm,
yung parking.